Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how do I create this design of thumbnail on Canva application. And so let's jump to the tutorial. First, you need to open a new page or a new project on Canva application, and you need to make a landscape project like this, landscape page. The size from it was 1280 for the width, and for the height is 720, just like that. Okay, you need to remember this size from the page. Okay, now let's go back to the page. Here, the way to create that kind of design is you just need to insert an image of any image that you want. So I'm going to use this image, this one. It's look like a living room. So using this image like this and increase the size of it. Make sure it's covering all of the page, just like this. And now the next part, you need to insert a text onto it, but instead you insert it using this text box and just insert onto this page. You need to make a new blank page and insert a text onto it, then save it as a PNG. So let's insert a text onto this blank page. Okay, I'm going to type maybe a living room. Living room, this one. And for the font, I'm going to use this Stretch Pro font, this one. Okay, and then go back to the page. Now increase the size from this text like this. And after that, I think I'm going to change the color from it onto white color. Change it onto white and change the background color onto black color like this. Now you just need to download this design. Increase the size of the pixel. Check the transparent background. Make the design have a transparent background. Then download it. When you finish downloading it, now go back to the previous page, this one, and now you need to go to your gallery and insert the design that you are saved before. This one, insert it, adding it to the page like this. And now decrease the size of the frame. Increase the size from the text like this. Go to the effect and add a shadow onto this text to make it much more realistic. So I'm using this drop shadow, and for the blur amount I'm going to decrease it to 10, and for the angle I think I'm going to move it onto this side, and the distance I will try to make it much more closer to the shadow, and intensity I will increase it to 80, this one. And now the next part, you just need to adjust the size again, and as same as this previous design, I'm going to add the same element onto this page. Okay, I'm adding the new text onto it, so I will type home area like this, and then change the font as same font as the design, this one. Okay, and I will put it on this side. Decrease the size of the font and put it on this side. And now the next step, insert an element onto it. So for example, I'm adding this YouTube logo, this one, and put it on this side. Decrease the size of it a little bit more, put it this side, and for transparency decrease it onto 50, just like that. And again, adding more element to make it much more interesting. So I will adding this shape, this circle shape, adding it onto the page. I will change it the color onto a red color. And after that, now you just need to put this shape behind of the text. Send it backward like this, and now decrease the transparency on to 60. Like this. And yep, after that you just need to positioning it and put it in any position that you want. It's like this. And now more element onto it, so I'm going to adding maybe this subscribe button, this one, decrease the size of it. It's like that, and I will put it on this side. It's like this. As same as the previous element, you need to decrease the transparency from this element too. Decrease it onto 50 like this. And now the next part, adding a text and try to create this kind of like a time duration, this one. Decrease the size and put it on this side. Just like that. And when you're done, this is the final result that you got from the design, and you can use it maybe as your YouTube thumbnail or maybe your video thumbnail, and that's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.